If you have a photo and want the person in it to dance using someone else's dance video as a reference, you can use the AI website that I use. First, go to video.a2.ai. This is what the website looks like. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up with your email or use your Google account. New users will receive 100 free credits. You can also get 30 free credits by logging in every day. On the left side, you'll find several tools and options. To make the subject in an image dance, click Video, then select Actor Animation. Once you're on this page, click Upload Image and choose the image you want to animate. Next, click the trash icon to remove the sample video and replace it with your own video. In this example, I'm using a TikTok video that I downloaded from bibil's account. You'll also see prompt and negative prompt fields. You can add instructions there if needed. When everything looks good, click Generate. Now just wait a few minutes for the video to be created. Each generated video costs 6 credits per second, and free users can generate videos up to 15 seconds long. The final result will look something like this. If you don't want the watermark, you can simply crop out the bottom right corner of the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.